Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sakshi. It would really mean a lot if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Okay, so today we are gonna do a very easy 9 lazy girl hairstyles. If you're a lazy girl like me, check this video out. And yeah, we're gonna start the video. But I also did a spa yesterday, and my hair feels really soft and smells really good. That's it. Let's get in the video. First thing, I'm gonna apply a serum to my hair because serums are really good for your hair. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal serum. I'll try and link it down in the description box, so please check it out. I'm just gonna use a pump. I've already finished a lot of it. One pump is just enough. I'm gonna apply that to my hair, and you'll see the shine in a minute. Okay, but look how gorgeous. And then I'm gonna brush my hair very lightly. Okay, the shine is stunning. The first hairstyle is gonna be very cute. So I'm taking a few strands of my hair from my front portion, and then I'm gonna put rest of the hair back, and then take. Okay, wait, I'm speaking really very fast. Oops, keep it up, Sakshi. Okay, so I'm gonna take a few hair from my back, and I'm gonna take my comb and brush that backwards for some volume, and I'm gonna just tie a hair elastic. I saw Catherine did this in Vampire Diaries, and it was so pretty. I'll put up a reference picture of her. But yeah, these elastics are the way are a bitch. I'm telling you, I do not like this at all. People who stand these elastics are psychopaths. Yeah, I'm gonna just tie and then or loosen some ends, and it's gonna look so pretty. Look how cute. On to our next hairstyle. I don't know what to name this, so I named it middle part drama because yeah, just for fun. Okay, so I'm gonna take a very few strands now this time, and I'm gonna take a big chunk of my hair and simply just twist it and then secure that with the bobby pin. It's a very easy hairstyle, very cute but very easy. It's gonna look pretty. That's it. Okay, so third style is gonna be a messy bun. I freaking love messy buns. They are like very chic and pretty looking. So I'm gonna flip up my hair like I always do. I'm gonna take a lot of hair strands out of my hair this time. I think taking out hair strands just give my facial look much better look. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, still doing it. And then I'm gonna tie my hair, but there's a trick, so just look very carefully. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie my hair halfway, then twist, and then tie again. So this gives a more messy look, which I am all down for, and I freaking love. Look how pretty, chic but beautiful looking. I'm gonna loosen some ends, and here we have a messy bun. Okay, fourth hairstyle is gonna be a very basic ponytail, but I'm gonna do it in a messy form. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair again like so, taking out few strands and just putting that up in a pony. Yeah, I freaking love pulling out some hair strands from my face, from my hair. Sorry, I'm gonna tie. That's it. I'm gonna just tighten that a little bit, and we're done. Look how freaking cute I look. Yep. Okay, so our fifth hairstyle is a classic pigtail. I've seen Rachel Green, Jennifer Aniston do this in front, and it's so pretty looking on her. I'm gonna put up a reference picture of her. Okay, so I'm gonna part my hair in the middle portion. I'm gonna take my hair and then tie that in a lower form, not like in the upper form. I don't like it that way. Yeah, I'm just gonna tying that and then taking a few strands again out. Yeah, that's it. It's very very easy but so pretty looking. Look. Okay, so the next hairstyle is gonna be a low bun. I love low buns. I feel like they're so professional looking and so chic and very edgy at the same time. So I'm gonna take out a few strands again. What's new? Haha. I'm gonna take my hair and tie that in a low bun form. Yeah, it's very professional according to me, and it looks so good. Yeah, it's very easy again. All these hairstyles are so convenient. I'm gonna try and figure the hell out about what I'm gonna do with my hair this time. About the strands, so I'm just figuring that out. Okay, I like it that way. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna put that in like a. I'll show you what a sleek bun looks like. So I'm gonna put all my hair back. You can apply some hairspray on it, and it's gonna look very professional again, more professional, I would say. Yeah, totally loving this look too. Okay, on to our next hairstyle. This is a cute scarf hairstyle. I feel scarves are so trendy in clothing or putting that in your hair. So I'm gonna tie my hair. Just trust the process, okay? I'm gonna tie my hair. I'm gonna take out some few strands again out, and I'm gonna take my scarf and then tie underneath the pony that I've put, so it my hair doesn't get in the way, and it's more like a clean look. And then when you open your like rubber thing, it's gonna look very effortless, like, yeah. And I'm tying it and then pulling out my ears. I'm so I don't like it when my ears are packed. Okay, and then I'm gonna take out a few more strands of my hair from the same portion. Yeah, and then losing my hair tie. Okay, look how seamless and effortless that looks. Okay, the next hairstyle is the Blair World of Vibes. I love her so much. Yay. Okay. So I'm gonna tie my hair and I'm gonna take my scarf and tie this in the hairband style, like Blair always does. It's not gonna look same, but it is similar. Yeah. I'm gonna do the same thing. Take out some strands as usual. Tie my hair. I am doing a hack. I am pinning my scarf with a bobby pin, so it's more secure and doesn't come off. You can keep it like this in a messy bun, or you can just lose your bun, and it's gonna look very cute. Next hairstyle is a bubble up braid. I've seen this blow so much on internet. Oh my god, it's probably one of the most amazing and very pretty looking hairstyles. So anyways, I'm gonna tie my hair in a ponytail, and I'm gonna repeat the same process twice. So this is me tying it first time, and then I'm gonna tie it the second time. It's gonna look very chic, pretty, and famous. Instagram famous. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really like all the hairstyles. They are very convenient, easy to do, and it's all like on the go out hairstyles outfit. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I love you all. Bye.
Specific reservation, or do you want to work on all the reservations?